Welcome to RS classes. If you are new in this channel, please like, share and subscribe the channel so that you can get the notification of new video. So like this channel and try to learn the same. So today we are going to talk about parallel lines, class 8 math. So in parallel lines, first of all, our question is what is parallel lines? If two lines in a plane do not intersect each other, they are called parallel lines. Very simple example if you will take, railway track is a very simple example of parallel lines. In your classes, you have to see opposite edges of your blackboard or green board or whiteboard. Opposite edges of boards are example of parallel lines. Or you have to talk about opposite sides or opposite edges of your books or opposite edges of your notebooks are the examples of parallel lines. So here, if line L and line M doesn't intersect each other at any point, then they are parallels. Similarly, railway track or ladder, we will see also they are parallel lines. Now I am going to talk about what is transversal line. So intersecting lines, you all know, a line intersect the other line is called intersecting line, but transversal line is different. If a line intersects two or more than two lines at different points, then it is called transversal line. So here line L and line M are two lines and T is intersecting line L and line M at two different points. So T is a transversal line. Now when you will draw transversal, two cases as possible: interior angles and exterior angles. So first I am going to talk about interior angles. If L and M are two parallel lines and T is a transversal, then angle 1, angle 2, angle 3 and angle 4, they all lies inside the parallel lines. That's why it is called interior angles. And if we will talk about in second diagram, angle 5, angle 6, angle 7 and angle 8 lies outside the parallel lines. That's why they are called exterior angles. Now, if two parallel lines cut or intersected by a transversal, then so many cases are possible. So these are called properties of parallel lines and transversal. See, in this case, if I am going to talk about this question, line L and line M are parallel and T is a transversal. So what is possible? First possible property is alternate interior angles are equal. So in this question, angle 1 and angle 2 are alternate interior angles and they are equal. Similarly, angle 3 and angle 4, they are alternate interior angles and they are equal. So these are alternate interior angles equal. How we will check if these are alternate? One angle will be in left side of the transversal and other angle will be in the right side of the transversal, and one angle will be left, then it will come. That means vertex will be different. Similarly, alternate exterior angles are also equal. In this question, see, angle 1 is equal to angle 2. They are exterior, and angle 3 is equal to angle 4. So alternate exterior angles are also equal. Now I am going to talk about corresponding angles. So in this case, always you have to see angles lies on the same places are called corresponding angles. So angle 1 and angle 5 lies on the same places. That means if you will talk about this case, angle 1 and 5 lies left side of the transversal and above the parallel lines. That's why they are lies on the same places. So angle 1 is equal to 5. Similarly, angle 2 is equal to angle 6. Angle 3 is equal to angle 7 and angle 4 is equal to angle 8 because they lie on the same places. So corresponding angles are equal. Now sum of interior angles of the on the same side of the transversal are supplementary. So again we are going to talk about interior angles. So angle 1 and 2 both are interior and lies in the same side of the transversal, that is they lies in left side of transversal, that is called same side. So sum of angle 1 plus angle 2 is 180 degree and angle 3 and angle 4 lies in right side of the transversal, that is also called same side. So angle 3 plus angle 4 is also 180 degree. This is called sum of interior angles on the same side of the transversal are supplementary. Similarly, sum of exterior angles on the same side of the transversal are also supplementary. That means they are also 180 degree. So here see angle 1 and angle 2. They both are lies left side of the transversal, that means in same side, and both are exterior. So angle 1 plus 2 180 degree. Similarly 3 plus 4 is also 180 degree because they lies in the same side. Vertically opposite angles. So if I will go to talk about the vertex, here one vertex is here and 4 angles are met. So angle 1 is opposite to angle 3. So angle 1 is equal to 3. Similarly angle 2 is opposite to angle 4. So angle 2 is equal to 4. If I will talk about next vertex, angle 5 is opposite to angle 7. So 5 is equal to 7. And angle 6 is opposite to angle 8. So angle 6 is equal to angle 8. Now we will talk about linear pair. So first of all see why it is called linear pair. If a line is given and one ray stands on this line, so two angles will be formed, angle 1 and angle 2 or whatever you will say. So these lines are, line is a single line and ray is a single, so two angles will be formed and these angles are adjacent angles. If we will add these angles, we will get 180 degree, or it is rays on the line, that's why it is called linear pair of the angles. So angle 1 plus 2 will be 180 degree. Same property will be applied in transversal and parallel lines also. So if we will take L as a line, then two cases are possible. T will be transversal, so angle 1 plus angle 2 will be 180 degree and angle 3 plus angle 4 will be also 180 degree by linear pair. Now if you will take T as a line and L as a transversal, then also two cases possible. Angle 2 plus 3, these two angles will be lies on the line T. So 2 plus 3 180 degree and 1 plus 4 also 180 degree. Similarly we will write here also on the line M. Same property will be applied, like 5 plus 6 180 degree, 7 plus 8 180 degree, or 6 plus 7 180 degree, 5 plus 8 180 degree. So these are called linear pairs. Now we are going to talk about if two lines are given, these two lines are not parallel and transversal is given, to what is the property and how to prove that these lines are parallel. So we are having three properties. First property is if the corresponding angles are equal, then the lines are parallel. Or second property is if the alternate interior or alternate exterior angles are equal, then the lines are parallel. And third property is if sum of interior angles of same side is 180 degree, that means supplementary, so also lines will be parallel. So we are going to talk about one by one. So our first property is the angles of any pair of corresponding angles are equal, then the lines are parallel. So see here, any pair, only one pair is required to prove that lines are parallel. So if I will see angle 1 and angle 5 both are corresponding, if I will prove angle 1 is equal to 5, then line L will be parallel to line M. Similarly we can say angle 2 is equal to 6, or 3 is equal to 7, or 5 is equal to 8, then the lines will, line L and line M will be definitely parallel. Second property, if any pair of alternate interior or exterior, depends on you, whatever it is given in question, alternate interior angles are equal or alternate exterior angles are equal, then the lines are parallel. That means if I will prove angle 1 is equal to angle 2, alternate interior angles are equal, so line L parallel to line M. Or angle 3 is equal to angle 4, these are also alternate interior angles, they are equal, so lines are parallel. Same property will be applied with exterior angle also. If angle 5 is equal to angle 6, alternate exterior angles are equal, so lines are parallel. Or 7 is equal to 8, alternate exterior angles are equal, so lines are parallel. So this one will be the second property. Our third property is sum of pair of interior angles on the same side of the transversal. So we are having transversals T, so these are left side and these are right side. If you will add the angles of same sides, that is angle 1 plus 5, if you will add, then it will be 180 degree. So we can tell line L is parallel to line M. In the same case, we can say angle 2 plus angle 6 is 180 degree, then lines are parallel. So these are three properties to prove two lines parallel or not. Now our next property is, what is distance between two parallel lines? So the distance between any two parallel lines does not change. It is the same everywhere. If L and M are two lines, if I will tell this is line L and this is line M, both are parallel. If both lines are parallel, then this condition is possible. AB is equal to CD is equal to EF. If lines are parallel, they always maintain equal distance between them. Now I am going to talk about next property. Lines parallel to a given line in a plane are parallel to each other. That means if first line is parallel to second line and this second line is parallel to a new line, that is third line, so line 1 is also parallel to third line. That means if L is parallel to M or M is parallel to N, so line L is, that means first line is also parallel to third line. Okay, next property is two lines in the same plane perpendicular to a given line are parallel to each other. If we are having a line L and we will draw two perpendicular lines, perpendicular means perpendicular lines always make 90 degree angles. Here I have drawn 90 degree. So P is perpendicular on L and Q is also perpendicular on L. So what will be the relation between P and Q? P and Q are parallel to each other. Now we are going to talk about angle sum property because it will be also used in this chapter. So as we know that sum of all the interior angles of a triangle is 180 degree. So in triangle ABC we are having three angles, angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 degree. Next property is exterior angle of triangle. So exterior angle property of a triangle say that means describe that if you will see the diagram, angle 2 and 3 are interior angles. If you will draw angle 4 here, then angle 2, 3, 4 are interior angles. But angle 1 is outside the triangles, that's why it is called exterior angle of the triangle. So what is relation between exterior angles and interior angles? So exterior angle of a triangle is equal to sum of two opposite interior angles. That means we will not take adjacent angles, we will take two opposite interior angles and we have to sum it, we will get the value of exterior angle. So exterior angle 1 is equal to interior angle 2 plus interior angle 3. Now we will going to talk about angle sum property of a quadrilateral. So quadrilateral is having four sides or four angles. So sum of all the interior angles of a quadrilateral is 360 degree. If it will be required proof, so what we will do, draw any one diagonal. So I am going to join BD. So we are having two triangles. as we know that each and every triangle is having measurement. All the interior angle of a triangle is 180 degrees. So first triangle is 180 degree and second triangle is also 180 degree. So total if you add, we will get 360 degree. So this is angle sum property of a quadrilateral. Now if you are on this channel, then if you are new or you are already subscribed this channel, please like, share and get help from this channel. In this chapter, construction is also there. That means only two types of construction is given. One is draw a line segment and divide it into equal parts, or second one is draw a line segment and divide it in ratio. So this video we will also get. So like this channel, share this channel and subscribe this channel. So try to learn from here.